I think in terms of some tips, what I saw you do for the white rice, you really want to like try use some leftover white rice, because white rice that's stored in the fridge is drier and it creates a nicer consistency with your fried rice.
Yeah. Another tip I definitely want to give is definitely like when you're cooking the fried rice, make sure the pan is hot. You know, when you're cooking the egg, when you're cooking the spam, make sure it's hot. You know, that way it doesn't stick to your pan. That's very important. And that way it's easy to caramelize and fry stuff.
Use dry leftover rice that's been in the fridge. Keep your pan nice and hot, and you're gonna get a really beautiful dish using cheap ingredients.
Yeah. And anyway, guys, if you like this recipe, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Check us out in Instagram at Simple Cookery as well. And lastly, in Simple Cookery, we teach you simple recipes and cooking techniques to get you more confident in the kitchen. And we're out.
See you guys.